Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have my first project share from my Hope and Faith pad from CraftSmart. I finally dug into this pad and I have some fun Christmas decoration projects today. I used almost a full sheet of this like gold, I don't even know what kind of pattern that is, but like this gold pattern, and then the red, the dark red with the stars. I took about one whole sheet of each and cut them down to fit some blocks that we already had in our stash. These are just 2x6s that were cut down to, I think they're 2 1/4 by 9 1/2, and then 2 1/4 by 7 1/2, and then they were sanded and stained and prettied up a little bit. So I cut my paper to fit these 2 block sizes, and then used some vinyl, cut some vinyl to say "Wise men still seek him." So it's a Christmas decoration, and then the best part is, which this is what I do a lot of with our business, is I don't just make one season's decoration, I make it so you can turn it and get another season out of it. So the back side is just, it's not paper from this pad, obviously. I was going to try and use some of the blue, but it had Christmas trees on it. So I pulled some other paper from my stash for the back side that just had some snowflakes on it, and it says "Warm Winter Wishes." So for now, you keep it on the "Wise Men Still Seek Him" side for your Christmas decoration, and after Christmas, you don't have to put it away, you don't have to store it yet, you can just turn it around, and you have some winter decoration. So I made, I think, 5 sets of these using, and like I said, I used up most of one sheet of each of these patterns. And then I took some of the scraps that I had from the red with the gold stars and made some ornaments. And I still need to do the twine through these, but I wanted to go ahead and show them because I'm going to finish them off, and then these are going into our craft show this weekend. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys these before I kind of finish them off and then put them away. But these are just plywood circles that my husband cut down. They're just over 3 inches in diameter. And then I used my silhouette to cut a circle that was about 1/4 of an inch smaller than the wood circle, just so it left like a nice wood border, almost like a frame. And then just took some of that red paper with the stars on it and used Mod Podge to attach it to my ornament. And then I used some white vinyl and did some different sayings. So like this one says, "Oh come let us adore him." And then this one says, "Silent night, holy night." And then this one just has the manger. So I thought these were some cute kind of faith-based ornaments to incorporate into the ornaments that I've been making for our craft shows. And I was excited to finally dig into this pad and be able to get started on it. So, but that's my quick project share for today. If you have any questions on anything, let me know. And I thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you're having a crafty week.